How to activate Shopify Payments for non-US citizen. Shopify Payments is one of the most convenient payment gateways for Shopify users, as it eliminates the need for third-party processors like PayPal or Stripe. However, Shopify Payment is not available in every country, and non-US citizens often face challenges in setting this up. In this guide, I'll walk you through on how you can activate your Shopify payment as a non-US resident and the alternative solutions you can go ahead and use if it's not supported in your country. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and understand the Shopify payment availability. Basically, Shopify payment is only available in certain countries. That includes US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and some European countries. If your country is not supported, you won't use or see the Shopify payments as an option in your Shopify dashboard. And so, setting up a US-based business for Shopify payments is really easy. This is basically one of the most common ways for non-US citizens to access the Shopify payments is this by registering a US-based business. Here's how you can do it. And so the first thing that you need to do is to basically register an LLC in the United States. You don't need to be a US resident to open an LLC or limited liability company. You can go ahead and use services like LegalZoom, INC File, or Stripe Atlas to register your LLC online. You can then go ahead and choose a state with low taxes and easy registration, such as Wyoming and Delaware. So as an example, I'm inside the LegalZoom for our LLC right here. The first thing that you want to do is to basically click on the business formation. Right after that, let's head over to the LLC or limited liability company. The simplest, most flexible way to structure your business to protect your personal asset. So let's just go ahead and click on it. Right after that, you want to go ahead and type your business name. In my case, I'll just type Shopify. And from here, as I've mentioned earlier, you want to choose a state with low tax. That includes Wyoming and Delaware. From there, it will then take us to this page where we have to select our plan. You have your basic, pro, and premium. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on the basic, which is going to be free. So click on the For My LLC. Right after that, you can then go ahead and type your personal or email and phone number in order for LegalZoom to contact you right here. Right after, we are now inside the industry. You can just go ahead and select any industry you want to. Click on Next once more. And right after, you want to click on No Thanks. From here, we will be able to choose a plan to basically speed up the processing time. In our case, I'll just go ahead and click on No Thanks to save some money. And right after that, once again, you want to specifically click on No Thanks. Basically, once inside, you can then go ahead and choose between 1 day, which will go ahead and charge you more. And you also have your Founders Kit right here. You can go ahead and include the Founders Kit if you want to, but that is only an optional choice. In our case, let's go ahead and stick with the free LLC plan. And so right after that, basically the LLC will go ahead and assemble or arrange things for you. And the only thing that we need to pay is basically the state fee. So if we navigate through the Wyoming filing fees, this is required by the state fees for your formation filing, state expedited service, and other fees if applicable. So basically, the LLC is free for using LegalZoom, but you have to go ahead and pay state fees. You can go ahead and try another states to see if you get a lower payment for your LLC package. Basically, right after getting our LLC, we then need to get an EIN number or the employer identification number. An EIN number is required to activate your Shopify payments. You can go ahead and obtain an EIN from the IRS or the Internal Revenue Service by applying online or hiring a service to do it for you. From there, we then want to open a US bank account or virtual banking solution. To receive the Shopify payments payout, you need to have a US-based bank account. Since traditional banks require a physical presence, you can use virtual banking services like Payoneer, which basically provides a US based account for non residents. You can use Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, Mercury, or Relay Financial for the LLC owners. And from there, once your US bank account is set up, you can then go ahead and link this to Shopify Payments and start accepting payment. Now, in order to set up our Shopify Payments into our store, the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and log in into our account. So you want to make sure that you are logged into your correct account right here. Right after that, we can now head over to the settings of our specific store. You can go ahead and see that right below your dashboard. And from here, we then want to navigate through the payments option. Basically, once inside payments, we can then go ahead and click on the activate Shopify payment, and we need to enter our US business details. From there, we want to provide our EN number, business address, and US bank details. You have to verify your identity using the required documents such as an EIN letter or LLC formation documents. Basically, after creating our LLC, we will not have a problem doing this step right here. Once approved, Shopify Payments will be activated and you can basically start processing payments. Now, for alternative payment solutions for non-supported countries, if you don't want to go through the process of setting up a US business, you can go ahead and use alternative payment gateways supported in your country. Some options include PayPal, Stripe Atlas, 2Checkout, Payoneer Checkout, and more. And so, managing taxes and compliance is really important. If you register a US LLC, you need to comply with tax and legal requirements, even if you are not a US resident. Your business may be subject to certain US tax regulations, and here's what you need to go ahead and do. You need to file an annual report. Some states require LLC to submit annual reports. You have to understand sales tax. If selling in US, you want to check if you need to collect sales tax. You want to hire a tax professional. To stay compliant, consider hiring an accountant familiar with international e-commerce taxation. Now, in conclusion, activating a Shopify Payments as a non-US citizen is possible. If you set up a US-based LLC, get an EIN, and open a US bank account. If that's not an option, you can still use alternative payment providers like PayPal, Atlas, or 2Checkout to accept payments on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow for more Shopify guides. Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them right in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.